Chinese brands dominating the Philippine market. Napansin niyo ba na napakarami na ngayon ng mga Chinese brands ang nakikita natin dito sa TikTok, dito at ito pa, nakikita na rin natin sila sa malls. And ang pinaka-best example ko dyan ay ang Skintific. Pero paano nga ba talaga nakapag-dominate ang Skintific dito sa Philippines? FYI, before anything else, gusto ko lang sabihin that I am a user of Skintific and this is my old one and bumili pa ako nito. Kung makikita ninyo, maayos at maganda yung packaging niya. And just today, dumating yung bago kong Skintific. So kung makikita nyo dito, di pa siya na-open, naka-plastic pa siya, ang ganda. Napakaayos niya. So, paano nga ba nag-dominate ang Skintific? Number one, packaging guys. Aside sa maganda yung produkto, pinakauna talaga dapat is ang packaging. Alam ko marami nagsasabi sa inyo na, di naman importante yan kasi itatapon naman yan. But packaging is branding. Before bibilhin ng customer yung product mo, kailangan it will build trust through the packaging. And if it does, dun ka magkakaroon ng benta. Especially ang bilis ng panahon ngayon, maraming mga repeat customers si Skintific. But of course, kailangan pa rin niya makakuha ng new customers at nagagawa niya lang to dahil sa mga reviews and of course, kapag maayos yung packaging. Again, kapag maayos yung packaging mo, it will attract customer, it will build trust, and you will make your first sale. And of course, through this packaging, mas may chance na makipaglaban ito sa global market. Kaya nga siya nakapasok ng Pilipinas, 'di ba? Dahil aside sa maganda yung laman, maganda na rin yung packaging niya. So ibig sabihin, kapag pinaganda ng Skintific yung packaging niya, ibig sabihin mas maganda yung sa loob nito, mas maganda yung produkto. Now the next one, kung papansinin natin itong packaging nila, makikita natin dito sa side, ayan, mas klaro, 'di ba? May nakalagay dito, imported and distributed by PHFY Media Network Trade Corp. So this is a Filipino company at ang ginawa nila ay nakipag-partner sila sa Skintific. So yes, paano nag-dominate ang Skintific? Number one, they were partnering with corporation to corporation or company to company. So yung company sa China nakipag-partner dito sa Philippines. So yes, made in China po itong Skintific. So kung makikita po natin dito mismo, made in PRC or People's Republic of China. Yes, nagdo-dominate po talaga sila. But they are legally selling the product here in the Philippines kasi nakipag-partner sila with PHFY Media Network Trade Corp and they can be found in Makati City. So ayan, ito po yung address ng corp nila dito sa Philippines. So this is a Filipino-owned company or probably yung iba ay Chinese din. And that's the reason why they were able to penetrate the Philippine market. And kapag ganito yung nangyayari, usually sila na yung nag-handle ng legal importation, distribution, regulatory compliance, warehousing, and expansion. So kung titingnan natin guys, they are legally selling the product here in the Philippines. And number 3, paano nakapag-dominate ang Skintific dito sa Pilipinas? Of course, affiliate marketing. Ito yung pinakauna na ginawa nila. They dominated the online market. They have a lot of creators. Dahil galing China nga ito, syempre, napakamura ng cost nito. And they were able to give a lot of their products to content creators na gustong magkaroon ng extra income. And alam nyo ba, sobrang daming content creators or affiliate marketers ang kumikita just because of posting their product. Anong pinopost nila? Reviews, nagla-live selling sila minsan, or user-generated contents. Now, nang dahil sa napakaraming nagpo-post online, ang daming nabubudol. Kasama na ako doon. Nakita nyo naman ang dami kong Skintific product. And of course, with this, they were able to create trust in the market. And once na nakapag-create na sila ng trust, ito na yung ginagawa na nila yung modern trade. Here, pumapasok sila sa Watsons, department stores, or even malls. So, huwag kayong magulat kung makikita nyo itong mga Chinese brands na to na nasa malls na dito sa Philippines. Once these brands ay nakapag-penetrate netong mga malls na to, this will help them scale. Itong mga to na sinasabi ko sa inyo, this is their way of scaling up dito sa sarili nating bansa. Ang galing nila because what they did was they created the demand first. And there's nothing wrong with that. Ganun talaga. Ang labanan ngayon, global na po. Siyempre, hindi ibig sabihin na nagdo-dominate yung mga Chinese brands ay magpapatalo na rin yung Filipino brands. Hopefully, this will help us to have better packaging, branding, mas lakasan natin yung marketing, mas mag-invest tayo doon. And guys, if you want help with marketing, just message me. And of course, makipag-partner sa mga tamang companies and do modern trading. And of course, magkaroon ng better products. Hindi lang dapat magandang packaging, pero maganda at quality products. Now, pag-uusapan natin to sa next video ko kasi I'm going to talk about how to have better products. With this, pag nagawa po natin to, we will have world-class brands na pwedeng-pwede po itong mga Filipino Filipino brands natin ay makipagsabayan sa global market. It's not a question anymore kung nakapasok na ba itong mga Chinese brands na to. Ang tanong is until kailan sila magdo-dominate dito sa bansa natin. And if they do, we need to do something. Kailangan tayo din as Filipino brands ay makipagsabayan sa global market. And speaking of global market, I was looking for a Filipino brand na kayang makipag-compete sa global market. Ibig sabihin, magandang products, maganda ang packaging, at maganda ang overall branding niya. So, I am going to show you Geisha White. Geisha White is the soap that I have been using at sobrang ganda nitong soap na to the point na nakipag-partner ako with Geisha White. Aside sa sobrang effective niya at talagang nakakapag-lighten ng skin in just few days, I just love how this brand is competing with the global market and it's being marketed even abroad. If you wanna sell or try Geisha White products, just message me here or you can follow our page and mag-usap tayo doon para makapagbigay ako sa inyo ng mga malalaking discounts. So, yun lang. Thank you. Bye!